So, very easy number 8. Let's see how this one's going to go. These two rows are blocked, so that's that one. These two rows are blocked. This column is blocked, and that's that one. These two columns are blocked. That's that one. On to the 8s. That's blocked, which means this one has to be in that top row, but I don't know which one yet. Then I look at this one. This 8 blocks that, which means this has to be in one of these two, but I don't know which one. But because it has to be in this column, that means it cannot be that this one in this square cannot be that, leaving me only that one option. So now I know that's that one. And it also blocks this column. This one blocks this column and tells me it's that one. That blocks that row. This blocks that, whoop. This blocks that one that I'm trying to point out, making this the answer. Now these two columns are blocked out, and this is the possibilities here. And again, you'll see that's that matched set that you're kind of looking for. This blocks this column, so there's the 7. These two columns are blocked, so there's that 7. Now that blocks that, so I have that one, and these two columns block, so I have that one. The 6s, these two rows block, so I have this one. These two columns block, but I don't know whether it's the up or down yet, so I'm going to put, and now I know that those have to be the 8 and the 6, because there's only 2 squares, and the 8 and the 6 have to live there. So that means that those guaranteed have to be the 8 and the 6, which then means on a more complicated one, I could figure out, well then this column, this middle column right here, has 1, 2, 3. It's missing a 4. It's got the 5. It has the 6 is going to be one of those. I don't know which one. There's the 7. The 8's going to be one of those. I don't know which one, but I definitely know those are the 6 and the 8. There's the 9. So I know for a fact that this has to be the 4. Now again, on these very easy ones, is that necessary? No. In the future, will it be? Yes, it will. So when you can get it down to where you're like, I don't know which one is which, but I know that the 8 and 6 have to fill those two, or any other two numbers have to fill two specific squares, that is very important information. So onward, this column's blocked, this column's blocked, that row's blocked, there's our 4, these two rows are blocked, there's our 4, these two columns are blocked, so there's our 4. These rows are blocked, this column's blocked, there's our 4, and these two rows are blocked, so there's our 4. On to 3s, these two rows mean that's our answer. This blocks that one, but we still don't know if it's the middle or the upper. This will answer that question though. The 3 has to be in one of those two, and this one's blocked, so it has to be here, which then made that one. And this only has one spot available. That blocks that blocks that, so there's our 3 there. 2 options, this one can't be, so there's our yes. This blocks that, so there's our yes. There's a no, there's a yes. There's a no, and there's a yes. Okay, to the 1s, only one left. This is blocked. This is blocked. And now back to our 8s. We still don't know the answer to the 8s yet, so we're going to leave it. On to the 6s. This only has one spot left for a 6, which then answered this, and as you can see, or if you can't, it will become clear very soon, that answered the question of the 8s. This blocks that. There's only one place left for that 6. We'll now go back to the 8s. Because these had to be the 6 and the 8, once I figured out where that 6 went, that defined where the 8 had to be. So I put those 8s in, and now I just fill in the rest of the options with the 5s that are left.